WiZARD 310 nasal mask and WiZARD 320 full face mask are the perfect CPAP masks for sleep apnea patients. They are not only stable, but also breathable and comfortable when wearing. The design of only 3 parts is easy to manage. The ergonomic mask frame fits most facial contours. Flexible frame material can bear torsion and bending thousands of times. Instead of traditional silicone forehead pads, WiZARD 310 and 320 have the lighter and high flexible frame material that offers better fitting to most facial contours. There are no red marks on the forehead because of the soft forehead support structure, even after a long period of time. The mask cushion has a multiple pressure redistribution system, which is thinner on the bridge of the nose and compact on side supports. Soft and comfortable, but no leakage, is everything we aim for. Quick snap-on design allows patients to assemble the mask instantly. With foolproofing design, the triangular shape instructs patients to assemble the mask correctly every time. Patients will no longer be confused because of the intuitive assembly design. Breathable headgear and soft forehead support increase comfort of wearing the mask. "45-degree air guiding vents decrease the most high-frequency noise and prevent the air blowing onto the partner. Having a silent environment is not difficult anymore. It takes just one step to take off the mask with quick-release headgear clip and quick-release tubing. WiZARD 310 and 320 nasal mask and full face mask. Better CPAP mask choices. WiZARD 3 series.